Good day, everyone. Welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's session, I will provide a comprehensive overview of our ISO 20000 Food Safety Management System Lead Auditor Program, which is CQI IRCA certified and designed for professionals seeking internationally recognized auditing competence in food safety management. Food safety today is not just a regulatory requirement. It is a strategic necessity. Organizations across the global food supply chain must demonstrate structured risk management, hazard control, and control improvement. This is precisely where ISO 22018 plays a critical role. Understanding ISO 22018. ISO 22018 is an internationally recognized standard specifying requirements for a food safety management system. It integrates HACCP principles, risk-based thinking, PDCA cycle, process approach, communication across the food chain. The 2018 version revision introduced a high-level structure aligned with other ISO management system standards, making integration with ISO 9001, ISO 40001, and ISO 45001 more seamless. The standard applies to all organizations in the food chain, from primary production to processing, transportation, storage, packaging, and retail. While lead auditor competence is critical, a lead auditor plays a crucial role in evaluating conformity to ISO 22000 requirements, effectiveness of implemented HACCP plans, optional prerequisite programs, risk identification and hazard control measures, organizational and compliance and control improvement. An effective auditor must go beyond checklist auditing. They must apply process-based auditing techniques, risk evaluation methodologies, and evidence-based assessment strategies. This program is structured to develop precisely these competencies. Program structure and learning outcomes. The 5-day lead auditor program covers FSMS framework and risk-based thinking. Participants gain deep understanding of context of the organization, leadership and commitment, food safety policy and objectives, hazard analysis and risk assessment. Second, HACCP integration. We examine Codex Alimentarius HACCP principles, critical control points, monitoring and verification, validation of control measures. The next is audit planning and execution. Participants learn audit program development, audit scope definition, risk-based audit planning, interviewing techniques, sampling methods, evidence collection. Then non-conformity and reporting. We cover major versus minor non-conformities, objective evidence documentation, root cause evaluation, corrective action follow-up. The next is audit simulation and case studies. Practical exercises and scenario-based learning ensure participants gain real-world audit experience. Next is alignment with international guidelines. The program also integrates principles from ISO 19011 guidelines for auditing management systems, ISO/IEC 17021 requirements for certification bodies. Participants learn professional auditor ethics, impartiality, confidentiality, and audit reporting discipline, essential for first, second, and third party audits. Who should attend? This program is ideal for food safety managers, quality assurance professionals, internal auditors, consultants, food industry executives, professionals seeking IRC recognized lead auditor certification. It is especially beneficial for organizations exporting to international markets where food safety compliance is strictly monitored. Mode of delivery. The course is delivered live online through interactive instructor-led sessions. Participants engage in real-time discussions practical case studies, auditor role plays, structured exercises, examination preparation. Our faculty brings extensive industry and audit experience, ensuring both theoretical depth and practical applicability. Why choose URGS International? We provide technically rigorous training, internationally aligned content, structured documentation, practical learning methodologies, professional certification standards. Our objective is not only to prepare participants for examination success, but to develop competent, confident, and ethical auditors capable of strengthening organizational food safety governance. Program details: ISO 22000 2018 FSMS Lead Auditor Program, CQIRCA certified, duration 5 days, mode live online. We provide regular morning, 5 days state batches, evening and weekend batches for working professionals. Timing for morning batches is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, and for evening batches 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. IST. And weekend batches are morning batches, Saturday and Sunday classes. So for registration and further details, email us to our email ID info@urgsiso.com. Contact us through our mobile number +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. In an increasingly regulated and risk-driven food industry, competent auditing is essential for safeguarding public health, maintaining brand integrity, and ensuring regulatory compliance. We invite food safety and quality professionals to join this comprehensive lead auditor program and enhance their global professional credentials. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to welcoming you to our upcoming session. Thank you.